Hey guys! In today's short video, we want to learn how we can format phone numbers in Excel in under 20 seconds, so let's get straight to it. We assume that you have a list with only the raw digits, which you want to format in your Excel sheet. So it would look like this in our example sheet. Here you can see a column on the left side with the raw digits, and on the right side we have the column which we want to format so you can see the difference in the end. First, you have to select the cells with the numbers which you want to format. Then you want to click on the Formatting drop-down in the Index tab Home. After that, you want to select More Number Formats. A window pops up where you have to select the category Special on the left side. Here you can choose the option Phone Number on the Type selector. Make sure you have the right location selected for the area you live in or the area for which you want to do the formatting for. Press OK and watch the magic happen. This was pretty easy, wasn't it? We hope this was helpful to you. If you have any other video suggestions, please let us know. We appreciate if you subscribe to our channel, hit the like button and leave a comment for the YouTube algorithm. Thanks for watching. See you soon.